Hey, my name is Logan Phillips, and today I'm going to be talking about 3D printing. So, 3D printing is basically the construction of a three-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. Automobile companies, retail fashion companies, and environmental engineering and architecture industries, medical industries, food industries, and music industries are using 3D printing. Automobile companies are using 3D printers to print car parts and accessories. Retail and fashion companies print 3D prototypes. Architecture uses 3D printing for problem solving. And the medical industry uses this printing for advancements in healthcare. And the food industry and music industry both use 3D printing to print prototypes and as well as musical instruments in the music industry. As mentioned before, healthcare, automobiles, agricultural, food, music, retail, and fashion um, are being used in all these industries with 3D printing. Industries are using 3D printing every day with new technological advances. Mobile 3D printers actually can help solve problems for sustainable development goals as they arise in poor countries that could benefit from 3D printing. And two truths and a lie about 3D printing. 3D printing started in the 1980s. 3D printing can lower production costs, or you cannot print in titanium, ceramics, wood, etc. with 3D printing.